Celebrate this very special day for my dad and a very special day for my family as well. Looking at their faces, I think the surprise really worked, right? So that's what we were really afraid that, hey, someone might go and just fill out the bin or something, but I think it worked. They're not really good with expressions, but I know they're surprised. So I really appreciate everyone coming here. I know a lot of you have traveled from far distance, from Maryland and New Jersey, and of course Pradeep bhai, all that from New York. Harrisburg, of course. Anywhere between the tri-state area, everyone's here. So thank you. I really appreciate everyone. Oh, of course, and Sarika is all there from Texas. That's right. So, Devian is also from Texas, that's right. That was a total surprise. So, Ketan from Connecticut. You are covered by New York, you know, so. So again, thank you everyone. I really appreciate coming here and really helping us celebrate this. Event like this really takes a lot of planning, right? And this particular idea originated about 3 months ago or so, basically between discussion happening between Gopi and Kavita. And I think it's at that point, from that point on, all the hard work starts, right? Because planning is one thing, but really making it happen is the hardest part. So, all the way from really making this idea into reality, all the work has really gone into by hard work of Kavita. From planning and coordinating and emailing and all the ink you can think of, from hard work that has gone into it, it's all her. So she definitely deserves she deserves all the kudos for calling everyone, getting the email addresses, everything. It's without her, I don't think it would have been possible. So great job. Very special thanks to Jitu uncle here. Not because he was dancing, that was an additional surprise. But we are here in this beautiful restaurant because of him. It was Jitu uncle who actually helped us secure this beautiful place and also helped us along the way when we thought that we potentially hit a bottleneck. So thank you, uncle. Especially thank you for calling on your way back from the bus. I really appreciate everything that you've done and all the help that you provided and making this party great. To Foy and Fua. It goes without saying that none of us would be here without them, right?
Yeah.
Because all the work that goes in terms of trying to give a list of people who should be invited to Kavita, the email addresses, all the coordination support, anything and everything you can think of, it's basically because of them. If I were to go back and look at the log of hours that we must have logged on the phone between Kavita and Foy and Fua, it must be hours and hours and hours.
Only Foy.
No, Fua, she talked to you a couple of times. In fact, you're the one who gave me Avi's number. So, I think it was all because of them, and I really sincerely believe that they do deserve a round of applause from all of us.
Wow.
And I know I'm forgetting a lot of people, but last but certainly not least, to Payal. Where is Payal?
Andy.
We obviously were in New Jersey, right? So we just we couldn't do a lot of the so-called groundwork. So Payal really acted as our eyes on the ground, and she helped us, help us with many of the minute details that she can think of, from even simple thing as getting the cake reservation going and things like that. So it was because of her that we are able to kind of secure this last 2 weeks when we kind of went through some ups and downs trying to secure this facility. So again, thank you, Payal. Many others, Dinesh Uncle, Kala Aunty, who actually helped us along the way, gave us a lot of ideas how something like this should be done. Everybody is here, everybody. I can't even thank everyone enough for really joining us. But again, this is like a first time for us because we were never done surprise and we just didn't know what to expect. So it was nice to get a guidance from everyone. And again, when we actually went to Maryland in 4th of July, Dinesh Uncle and Kala Aunty, they gave us a lot of ideas and that really helped us through the whole process. So as I said, there are too many people I can thank. I'm probably going to remember it tonight. But just think of this as my sincere thanks for coming here. I truly appreciate it. And we hope you enjoyed the evening. Pradeep bhai, you've been doing awesome so far.
Very good.
And make everyone rock with the Garba. And hope you enjoy the party. And dinner should be serving you.
Before the closing, I tell you that it's a really tough work, okay? Like to do surprise, particular Bhavik Bhai and Kavita did something really nice. And I request Kavita also, please give some few words for everybody. Thank you.
Well, I cannot take all the kudos here, and without everyone's help and without husband's support, this cannot work. If husband is next to you, everything can work. If not, then nothing can work. So kudos to Bhavik. He next to me to support me in each and everything that I've done so far. And yes, and my kids too, to make mom proud. Ishika for doing a performance. Mahi, you still owe me a shlok. So hopefully Mahi, he will gel later on to say.
She can sing now.
Yeah, and all the wonderful ideas, you know, Gopi, Jignesh Bhai, you know. So thank you everyone. I hope you enjoy the rest of the movie.
Now I request Bharat uncle to dance. Birthday boy. He is now turning to 7 today. 07. So we are doing his 100. That means 1 year birthday after 30 years. Are you ready? Thank you.
Thanks everybody for coming here and making this occasion such a nice surprise for me, and more so for my wife Meena. She was almost shocked, I believe. But thanks for making this great event, and I thank everybody who have come from far distances, and of course Bhavik, Kavita, Venu, Jignesh, and all family members, including Adil Bhai, Sunena, and all my friends and old acquaintances from York. I thank everybody making this great party. Thank you.
And also the give big round of applause for Mama, Mami, Bhoi, Bhua, Ishika, and Mahi. અને હા ઇનલોઝ ને કેમ બોલાય તમારા નામ નથી ખબર પણ they coming all the way from New Jersey, so give the big round of applause for Kavita's parents. New Jersey is so far